run of beans. These are Firestorm, and there you can see there's a nice bean there, and there. Oh, and this, there we go. There's a nice nice long bean there. So it'll be ready for picking soon, and it's as you can see, it's full of them. So doing really well. There you go. Look at that, full of flower. And a quick update on the sunflower. I'll give it a measure. It's looking great, and you might just be able to make out the flower head. Looking good. The one where we had the slug damage, looking rather tired. Don't think it'll make it. And the one at the bottom, there you can just see, looking lovely. So have a quick scoop round here. Peas. Let's have a look at these. Look, here we go. Peas. Pick one of those, and we'll open that and see what we've got. See what we've got in there. So that's the pod open. So there's 7 peas inside. Let's just have a taste of one of them. Delicious. So yes, I've got some peas in there, a few pods on. So I'll have some to pick. Not many though. Say it was a bad year for peas. And I'm going to dig up some potatoes, because these are ready now, and just see how many we've got. Let's just dig up a couple of plants. Couple of ones there. Nice. So, first plant dug up of the season, 30th of August, and not a bad harvest. The variety is Jazzy. Just the one tuber dug up and produced this amount of potatoes. Good size. Look very nice. So we'll boil them off and see what they taste like, but not a bad crop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.